Hello students, welcome to the cbse chemistry lecture series. The last videos we discussed about the IUPAC nomenclature for organic compounds for hydrocarbons, then that unsaturated compounds, then monofunctional compounds. Now we are going to discuss about the rules for IUPAC nomenclature for polyfunctional compounds like carboxylic acids, aldehydes, ketones, or double bond containing compounds, or triple bond containing compounds, or some are substituents, all are in one compounds. How we have for your reference, we discuss the just the outline of that one IUPAC nomenclature. Generally, the organic compounds having three things: PRS. What is PRS? The R is a root word, and P is a prefix, and S is a suffix. So, based on this only, we are going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature for few compounds which are containing polyfunctional compounds. Now we will discuss one by one the rules and regulations for this type of organic compounds. First one is a principal functional groups. Principal functional groups. What it means? Actually, in an organic compound containing many functional groups like aldehydes or carboxylic acids or cyanides, whatever the things. Apart from that functional groups, double bond containing compounds also there, triple bond containing compounds also there. So, which are we have to follow the order of preference of the functional groups. Order of preference of the functional groups in the following order. First one, carboxylic acids are more prefers than the sulfonic acid SO3H, more than anhydrides. Esters, acid chlorides, nitriles, then aldehydes, then ketones, then alcohols, then amines, ethers, double bond containing compounds, then triple bond containing compounds, then substituents. So this is a preference of order of functional groups in the following order only. That is the first rule for if it is the organic compounds are polyfunctional groups. Second one, the second rule is selecting the principal chain. Now what it means? So if you are selecting the longest carbon chain and that it must contain maximum number of functional groups, that should cover the maximum number of functional groups or double bonds or triple bond containing compounds. So based on that only we have to select the carbon chain. And third one, numbering the principal chain. Numbering the principal chain. So in this case, the principal chain present in the polyfunctional compound must be numbered in such a way that the principal functional group gets the lowest possible number, followed by double bond, triple bond, and the substituents. So we have to follow this order, following order. What is the first one? Principal functional group. You are giving more preference. Is then next one double bond. Next triple bond. Next substituents. So this is the order you got to follow for naming an organic compound. Alphabetical order. And based on these four rules, we will take some compounds and try to name the organic compounds in a systematic manner. First we will take a compound like 1 CH3 C double bond O CH2 CHO. Suppose here in this case we are the compound containing two functional groups. One is a ketone, another one is a aldehyde. So we have to compare. The preference will be always given to aldehyde first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this should be the substituents. This what name is ending with principal functional group. So 4 means butane, and aldehyde is a 1-al or without al also. And this should be a substituent where it is attached in the third position. The prefix for this functional group is oxo. 3-oxo butane 1-al. We will take another compounds. Yes. Now the functional group is OH as well as COH, carboxylic acid is also there. You start numbering from which side? The functional group containing carbon atom. So you would start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4. We are giving preference to carboxylic acids. So the name is ending with the suffix oic acid. And third, we are having a hydroxyl groups. So you want to write the prefix word 3-hydroxyl 4-butanoic acid. Normally the one position no need to mention. If it is not mentioned, it is in the first place only. And few other compounds will give for practice, problem for practice. Yes, this compound, it containing OH is one kind of a functional group, double bond is what another kind of things, and chloro is also another kind of functional groups. There are 3 functional groups. Apart from that, one substituent methyl group is also there. So you have to give preference to hydroxyl groups. So you have to start numbering from here. The carbon atom is having 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the longest carbon chain. 4 means what? But. And double bond is there. Where it is? It is in the second position, 2-ene. And one position we are having an alcohol. And 3 position we have methyl and chloro. So you have to arrange substitutions in alphabetical order. So which will come first? 4-chloro, 3-methyl, but 2-ene 1-al. So this is a method of giving or systematic IUPAC nomenclature for the compounds containing polyfunctional groups. Yes, we will solve few compounds. So in this type of compounds containing maximum number of carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the maximum number of carbon atoms. And there are 3 COH groups and CHO is also there. So the principal functional group is what? Carboxylic acids. The parent name is pent. And third position we are having a this is a prefix word is what? Carboxy. 3-carboxy. 3. The aldehyde group prefix functional group is formyl. 5 carbon means pentane. And position is what? 1 and 5 we have carboxylic acid. 1, 5. 2 times we are having so dioic acid. This is the correct IUPAC name for this organic compound containing polyfunctional groups. The another one compound is for this second compound. This is a parent name. So 1, 2. 2 is a parent name, that is eth, and compound is a aldehyde, so ethanal. And this one you have to give numbering from here, the functional group. So with respect to this position, this one is a orthobromophenyl, so ethanal. Okay, so in the 2 position line we have to attached 2 bracket. With respect to the this one is a orthobromophenyl. Close the bracket. Ethanol is a IUPAC name. So this is the correct IUPAC name for this second compound. Third one, if you select in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is a parent name, that is what? Hept. And this is a principal functional group. Ketone, where it is attached. So it is in the second position, and the double bond is also there. 5 we are having a double bond, so you have to say hept 5-ene and 2-1. And these are all called substituents. In the fourth position we are having methyl and third position we are having ethyl. So arrange substituents in alphabetical order. 3 ethyl, 4 methyl, het 5 to 1. Thank you students. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Thank you students.